Welcome to all. I hope you are all enjoying the 1 week faculty development program on entrepreneurship. Really, I must thanks to the course coordinator and technical coordinator, the course director and the participants of this program. You know very well, the entrepreneurship is one of the very important and essential part not only to the economic development of the country but also for the personal growth. Every people must understand some things about the entrepreneurship. Then only there will be a concept, there will be a spirit, competence on entrepreneurship. When the country become more entrepreneurial activities, its economic development will be possible. Otherwise, there will be a problem. You must be a employer, not to be a employee. In this way, this 1 week workshop on 1 week faculty development program on entrepreneurship is going to organizing. So once again, I am very happy to be here. Myself, Dr. C. Paramasivan, Periyar EVR College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So now, I would like to discuss about the entrepreneurship and innovations or innovations in entrepreneurship. You know that the entrepreneurship and innovations are two common concepts in the political discussion and are often mentioned as conditions for economic growth and sustainable development. Innovation is the specific tools of entrepreneurs, the means by which they exploit change as an opportunity for a different business or a different service. Innovations and entrepreneurship are essential ingredients in building a successful commercial vehicles. The ways in which these two concepts fuels enterprise are something our faculty never stop exploring. That is the very important part in this area. Then what is innovations? You know that the innovation is something different or think different. It is need not be associated with any technology or any science or any other instruments. Even it may be the process or even it may be the way or even it may be the method may be considered as a innovations. The purpose of innovation is to continuously grow and renew an enterprise with new or better products, more efficient process or enhanced business models. This word added by the Walter. He is one of the very famous personalities in the field of the management. Then Schumpeter is considered as a father of entrepreneurship, suggests that the entrepreneur represents the missing link between invention and innovations. He explains, indeed, an entrepreneur is something who is willing and able to transform an invention into innovations. So one who is able to transform an innovation into the invention into the innovation, he may be considered as an entrepreneur. Here, what are the different types of innovations are available? It may be, some of the innovations may be conceptual, but this based on the concept, we are classified into different types of innovations. Incremental innovations. The incremental innovations seeks to improve the system that already exists, making them better, faster, cheaper. Process innovation. Process innovation means the implementation of a new or significantly improved production or delivery method. Then red ocean innovations. There is a concept in the red ocean and blue ocean in the marketing. The red ocean refers to the known market space, that is all the industries in existing today. In red ocean industry, boundaries are defined and accepted, and the competitive rules of the games are known. Then service innovations. Service innovations can be defined as a new or considerable changed service concept, client interaction channel, service delivery system, or technological concept that individually but most likely in combination leads to one or more services function that are new the firm. Then the business model innovations. Business model innovations refer to the creation or reinvention of a business itself. Then the sustainable innovations. Sustainable innovation is a eco-innovation in a term used to describe product and process that contribute to the sustainable development. Then fragile innovations. The fragile innovation is about doing more with less. The entrepreneurs and inventors in engaging market have to drive low cost strategy to easier tap or circumvent industrial exploitations and resource limitations to innovate. Then blue ocean innovations. The blue ocean represents that unknown the market space, that is all the industries not in existence today. Then radical innovations. Radical innovations provide something new to the world that we live in by uprooting industries conventions and by significantly changing customers' expectations in a positive way. The next innovation is called as open source innovation. In production and development, open source is a philosophy or method that promote free redistributions and access. Then experience innovations. Companies that try to create holistic experience by emotionally engaging their customers. Then disruptive innovations. The disruptive innovation is an innovation that helps create a new market and value network and evenly goes on to disrupt an existing market and value market. Then user-led innovations. The user is king. It is a phrase that is repeated over and over again as a mantra. Then the last one is called as a supply chain innovations. The supply chain innovation is about applying best practice and technological innovations to your own supply chain in order to reduce the cycle and wait times and other waste in your in-house process. We can say now that online shoppings which provide their product within a day. So that kind of supply chain systems are exist with the help of the technology. Then we can say some of the models of innovations in business. The models of innovations in business can be classified into incremental innovation, architectural innovation, disruptive innovation, and radical innovation. You see that incremental innovation is the continuous improvement of existing product or service to provide more value to an existing market. This type of innovation occurs in the short term and has low technological advancement and low market impact. For examples, next generation 3 series of BMW, Gillette, like that. Then the architectural innovations. It is the modification of existing solution for an entirely new market. Architectural innovations refer to changing the overall design of the product by putting existing components together in a new way. For example, Sony desktop photocopiers, like that. Then the disruptive innovations is when new technology and products are created to serve an existing market. This innovation occurs in the medium and long term. For examples, open source software, P2P accommodations, video streaming, etc. Then radical innovations is when an organization applies new technology to a new market. This type of innovation is when a new product, process or service with high technological advancement has a high market impact and completely replace an existing offering. For example, Salesforce, Metromail, etc. The next step, you see some of the top 10 innovative startups in India in the year 2019. The Bolat. Bolat has come up with the world's first small mobile phone charger for motorbikes. Then Chayos. These startups explore India's everlasting love for tea. At present, they have around 53 cafes operating in 6 cities. Then Urban Club. The Urban Club has become India's first online platform. It operates in 6 cities and works on demand service. Then Wow Momo. The Wow Momo is one of the very fastest growing food chain industry in our country. They offer a variety of momos and other Tibetan dishes. Wow Momo is operating in cities Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, Noida and Pune. Then Passion. This is startup is unique in its offering and in India's first free stuff website. Their purpose is to provide an online platform to the general public to connect with the needy and make donation an easy process. Then Truly Metley Merchandisers Private Limited. That is also one of the important startup in our country. Cashkero.com. Cashkero is an app that provides its user up to 50% cashback on their online shopping in over 1,000 websites when they shop via Cashmero.com. Then InShot, an online platform for news. InShot offers selected news stories of the day in 60 words across 10 news categories. Then Nest Away. This startup gives respect in their ever-moving young generation of the country, especially for bachelors who want to find a decent accommodation without spending too much of money. Then EduCart. This startup provides a platform to the students to look for any course online, get them to enroll in degree, diploma, certificate and entrance coaching courses. So these are some of the, though we have n number of startups, these are some of the very famous startup in our country during the period of 2019. Then another one important topics we have to discuss. I think it may be new to even to the academic community. That thing is called as a Jugaad innovation. What is that Jugaad innovation? Jugaad innovation is one of the very famous innovation. Even it may be considered as a traditional or conventional innovations. The Hindi word Jugaad describes an improvised or makeshift solution using scarce resources. For examples, we can easily say this Jugaad innovation in a simple terms or a student's point of view. It is a wealth from waste. Wealth from waste. We demonstrate in our classrooms. We asked our students to convert waste into wealth. The same concept is going to be applied in the Jugaad innovations. In a business context, Jugaad is a fragile, flexible and inclusive approach to perform solving and innovations. Jugaad is a non-conventional factual innovation, often termed as hack. It would also refer to an innovative fix or a simple work around a solution that bend the rules or a resource that can be used in such a way. For example, so you see some of the examples of the Indian Jugaad. A clock is alive as long as it ticks. All it needs is a few members where it is hand point. This is an amazing Indian Jugaad using the wall on which the clock is hung. This is very simple. Why you have to replace these things? Only we need that is two, three pin. That if the pin is working in a proper manner, so number is not a matter. We can also add it in manually. You see that. Suppose if you are a bachelor or you are staying in a hostel, this will happen. Who does not need a nice hot tea? Especially when you are a student and going through huge books for your 9 a.m. exam tomorrow morning. Here, in this Jugaad, a student make the best use of the resource. He has to make tea. Almost all the people are having, bachelors are having the iron pots. That iron pots may be converted into some cooking purpose. Yeah, you see that. This van owner seems to have broken down his doors, company fitting lock, and then realized he may need one anyway. Check out how this guy has restored to a Jugaad and used bad luck instant. Some amount of security achieved through Jugaad. Suppose if the person want to replace the door, what will be the cost? Instead of that, he simply made with the help of his Jugaad innovations. Yeah. Now you can see that electricity is one of the serious problem in our country, very particularly in rural places. If there is no electricity, the farmers are not able to pumping water from the well. But this fellow is not worried about that. He used his motor pipe for alternative of electricity. This is one example of the Jugaad. Then, so we don't have enough money. We have only little bit money. With that money, we cannot buy a Yamaha bike. But at the same time, you want to drive the Yamaha bike, or you want to feel this Yamaha bike, you can use it like this. So who is going to worry about that? You can enjoy yourself with the help of your Jugaad innovation. Yeah, you see that this is the real split AC. With one air cooler, two friends are sharing that this kind of facilities with the help of their pant or the pajama. This is the best examples for the Jugaad. Yeah, you see that. If you want to change the car seat, what will be the cost? Alternatively, if you use this kind of Jugaad innovation, no one is going to worry. That cost will be very cheap. So this kind of things you can apply. This is also one of the best examples of the Jugaad. So these things, so I want to conclude my session because it is the last day. You are all very eagerly waiting for your certificates and other things. Before concluding my words, I want to say a few words about this. In this session, you must fill your information in a correct manner. Though you are all using the technology and innovations, but you are failed in using the technology in a proper manner. When you are filling your feedback form or when you are going to do the assessment, you must be very careful. Write your name in capital letter with the initial. Then you have to write your institution name and place. You need not write your street number, door number, via like that. If you are mentioning like that, this sentence may be one paragraph or two paragraph. How we can add this matter in our certificate? So please try to understand the technical coordinator point of view. He is facing lot of effort. You have given wrong mail ID, you have given your name in wrong manners, you are given in your institutional address in wrong manner. Then finally you are asking, sir, we are not receiving certificate, our certificate is wrong, our certificate with some mistakes like that. You kindly avoid this kind of informations when you are going to filling your feedback form and assessment. Be careful. So you have the technology. So just you spend a few minutes, at least in the 7th assessment itself, you must give a full name and address in a clear manner. What you are giving in the assessment and feedback form, that will be reflected in your certificate. We will not add it anything. If any corrections will be happen in your certificate, it is only because of you, not because of us. So please understand, please realize, and also my humble request to all the participants, make this point as a valid point to fill the application, not only to our course, even to all the other course. And also my humble request to all the participants, you go to our YouTube channel, you subscribe to our channel. That also one of the important help for us. We can improve our service in a better manner in future. For this words, I want to conclude in this session. That is, the innovation is the key to success of the entrepreneurship. If you are able to utilize the proper innovation in your business, you will be a successful entrepreneur. Even I can say here, the lockdown made a very bad adverse effect in our economic conditions. Not only our economic condition, in the entire world. But that lockdown also made a significant contribution to the development of the society or to the environment. Now you can see that environment become more reliable environment. So it recovered. Like that family system is also recovered. Academicians like us, so you and me are learned lot with the help of this lockdown period. So thanks to the lockdown and corona to improve our academic performance during this period. So we learned lot of innovations, we learned lot of technology, we learned lot of information and communication technology for the benefit of the students community. The success of entrepreneurship is not only the risk taking, organizing and creating, but also there is a need of innovations. Particularly information and communication technology play a major role in entrepreneurship. Every entrepreneur must know the information and communication technology. Even it may not be related with their business, but they should know how to operate the information and communication technology. The corona enables teacher must be an innovative teacher with the help of ICT. So with these few words, I conclude. Thank you for your nice opportunity. Thank you.